In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the invoice currency in Stripe. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer dealing with international clients, it's essential to know how to update your invoice currency to accommodate the variety of markets you operate in. Let's dive in and break this down into simple, easy to follow steps. First, you'll want to log into your Stripe account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all your business transactions. It's important to start here because it's the launching pad for accessing various tools and options within Stripe. From the home screen, navigate to the section where you can manage invoices. Once there, you should see a list encompassing any invoices you've created previously. Now, for this next part, you need to click on an existing invoice. However, if you don't have an existing invoice, don't worry. You can create a new one easily. Just look for the option to create a new invoice and select that. Creating a new invoice is straightforward and follows the usual invoicing procedures you're likely familiar with. Once your invoice is visible on your screen, whether old or newly created, you'll need to proceed to the editing phase. This is where you'll actually change the currency. You simply click on the Edit Invoice option. This action will take you to the invoice editing page. This page contains several fields and settings relating to your invoice that you can modify. Scroll through these options and pay close attention to locate the currency setting for the invoice. It's usually situated near the financial details or payment information. When you find the currency option, click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with a selection of different currencies. Simply choose the currency that matches your client's location or the currency you need for your operations. Selecting the proper currency ensures that your client understands the amount owed and avoids unnecessary confusion or discrepancies in international transactions. After selecting the appropriate currency, remember to save your changes. It's crucial not to skip this step, as saving your changes will update the invoice with the new currency settings, and your client will see this reflected on their end. Once you've saved your changes, review the invoice one more time to ensure all details are correct and reflect what you intend to convey. That's it. Now you've successfully changed an invoice's currency in Stripe, making your billing process more flexible and globally accessible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the process more clearly. Feel free to explore other features Stripe offers to further streamline your financial operations. Until next time, take care.